Worried about your website crashing during plugin updates? In this video, I'll show you how to create a staging site to test updates safely before applying them to your main site. Let's dive in. Let's head over to the dashboard and navigate to Installed Plugins. Here, you'll notice some plugins that require updates. Now, if we update these plugins directly on our live site, there's a risk that it might crash. To avoid this, we'll install a staging plugin that allows us to safely test updates before applying them to the main site. First, go to the Add New Plugins section. In the search bar, type Staging. You'll see various options, but we're going to use the WP Staging plugin by the WP team. Click on More Info to read about the plugin and its features. Once you're satisfied, click Install. After the installation is complete, activate the plugin to start using it. In the main settings of the plugin, navigate to the Staging option. You'll be presented with three choices: creating a fresh WordPress install or setting up a staging site. Select Create Staging Site. Next, you'll see a list of options. I recommend sticking with the default settings for the best results. At the bottom, click on Create Now. A window will appear, displaying the progress of your staging site creation. Wait for the process to complete. Once the process is complete, you'll see an option displaying two links, one for the homepage of your staging site and another for the dashboard. Open both links in new tabs. In the Dashboard tab, log in using the same account credentials as your main site. After logging in, you'll successfully access the staging site dashboard. You'll notice an orange bar at the top, indicating you're now working on the staging site. Remember, the staging site is an exact copy of your main site for testing and development purposes. Now, let's move to the Installed Plugins section and update all the plugins one by one. Once the updates are complete, open the home page for testing. If everything looks good and nothing has changed on the front end, carefully test the site. Once you're sure everything is working fine, return to the original site and delete the staging site you created. After that, go back to the installed plugins on your main site and update all the plugins there. Once the updates are successful, check your website's front end to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This method allows you to safely test changes before applying them to your live site, preventing crashes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.